Vlad, name doesn't ring any bells. I'm sorry.
You better start remembering important people, you dumb peasant. Your cousin owes me a lot of money. If you don't want to make things real difficult for him, you are going to come to Comrade's bar in Mohawk. I have a work for you.
Ah, fuck you! You're a bunch of pussies and fags!
Nice.
I'm going back to the meeting!
Good.
I'm going to be somebody!
Yeah. See you later, Mel.
You always were an asshole, Mickey!
Hey, watch where you're going.
Hey! Hey!
I tried to tell you.
Fuck you!
Excuse me.
So, Ivan, I see you later, okay? Yoko, Feti Romanskaza. What's your name again?
Big mouth prick.
Very catchy. Sit down. Cousin, Nico. That's it, Nico. Not Big Mouth Prick. You funny guy.
I try.
Yes, and this once, I'll let you take the shit out of me.
Take this shit?
Yes, Mickey about.
I don't understand.
People who fuck with me get fucked with.
Okay, fine. Calm down.
Whatever. Some old man not paid me in months, and I'm not kind of person who is treated this way. Old bastard owns a china shop in the Campton Avenue in Dukes. Here you go. Don't hurt him. Just teach him a lesson.
I don't need a bat to teach a lesson.
The Science of Crime is back for another season.
The cigarette was hotboxed. He was nervous about something. His orthopedic surgeon records indicate
That he was a devil. Plays guitar. Roommates. Multiple wives. Threesomes. This is serious. They're not detectives or scientists, but they act like they are. They're crime scene cops that take matters into their own hands. These guys are so smart, they never have to look anything up.
he was neurotic. A love of puppies and a
I know it. It's a confusion caused by light to medium tearing of the phonax cortex. Obviously, you can tell at a glance by the fingerprint on the mustard bottle. Andrews, my acting sucks ass. The Science of Crime. It's forensically boring. Weasel News.
Congress has renewed and extended the Jingoism Act at the request of the president, saying that we must fight terrorism at home. Citizens responded to the news.
They're only taking away freedom you don't use anyway. What?
Hey, let me in! You have Vlad's protection money, old man.
Big Vlad and his protection money? I so scared. What I need protection from?
You think this door is going to save your shop? There's shit I can break out here.
Vlad should pay me to tell punks like you to go away. He get no money.
What the fuck? I wish
Don't come at me with them head games.
Stop it, shitbrain! I pay up now. I pay up. Here's your money. I hope you and Vlad choke on it.
Sure, whatever.
And the love Doppler, I see a storm coming. A fornication storm. It can't be helped. And you can't stop Mother Nature. Let's dive at them. I'm not to satisfy all. I'm gonna get
Sentinel 3D Doppler 1000 showing some patches of moisture heading down the coast, trickling down the side of the map here.
Dad!
Email to work?
But it's Saturday! All you care about is your email. That's why Mom is fucking your best friend.
I said, I'm sending an email to work. Shut the fuck up!
The bittersweet personal email device. Always on, never at home. Try the constant connected protection discount with 24/7 future of the bittersweet. Be everywhere and nowhere with instant email. The bittersweet.
WKTT, the most patriotic news source in America.
Hey, Yokel. You managed to do the job? Get Vlad his money?
He paid up. I had to smash the shop up pretty good, but he paid.
Don't worry your little peasant head about it. Stupid jerk made a mistake of telling me how much he gets that shit for back east. He's the biggest crook in the neighborhood. Lucky I don't tell his customers what they're paying for.
That it? Can I go now?
Sure. Get out of my face.